Hello, Math Minds! Today I bring to you a story that's both tragic and inspiring. Hypatia of Alexandria, the Forgotten Genius. In the golden age of Alexandria, one woman stood above the rest: a thinker, a scientist, a teacher. Her name was Hypatia. Hypatia of Alexandria was a brilliant philosopher, mathematician, and astronomer who lived in Alexandria, Egypt during the late 4th and early 5th centuries. She was one of the most influential thinkers of her time, leading the Neoplatonist school and making significant contributions to mathematics and astronomy. Hypatia was born around 355 to 370 AD and was the daughter of Theon of Alexandria, a mathematician and astronomer. She was educated in philosophy, mathematics, and astronomy, surpassing many of her male contemporaries. Unlike most women of her era, she was encouraged to pursue intellectual pursuits and became a respected scholar. Hypatia became the head of the Neoplatonic school, lecturing on mathematics, astronomy, and philosophy. She refined mathematical theories, built scientific instruments, and sought answers in the stars. Hypatia wrote commentaries on the Authentis Arithmetica and Apollonius Conics, though her works have not survived. She also refined astronomical tables and constructed scientific instruments like astrolabes and hydrometers. Her teachings attracted students from across the empire, including future Christian bishops like Senius of Cyrene. Here's the thing though, her wisdom was sought by rulers, but in an age of political and religious conflict, intelligence was a dangerous thing. Hypatia became a target. Well, Hypatia lived in a time of intense political and religious conflict. She advised Orestes, the Roman governor of Alexandria, which put her at odds with Cyril, the bishop of Alexandria. Rumors spread that she was preventing reconciliation between Orestes and Cyril, leading to her tragic fate. Well, in March 415 AD, Hypatia was murdered by a Christian mob led by a lector named Peter. She was dragged from her carriage, stripped, beaten, and killed in a horrific act of violence. Her death marked the decline of classical learning in Alexandria and became a symbol of the struggle between reason and religious extremism. Hypatia was later romanticized as a martyr for philosophy. During the Middle Ages, she was co-opted as a symbol of Christian virtue, while in the Enlightenment she became an icon of opposition to religious dogma. Today, she is celebrated as a pioneer for women in science and intellectual freedom. Hypatia's name may not be as well known as Plato or Aristotle, but her story is no less extraordinary. She was more than a philosopher, she was a beacon of knowledge in a world that feared it. Thank you for listening. Comment below on what part of our story inspires you most. See you next time.